Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Salesforce data with data export step by step clearly. Log into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the app launcher from the top left corner. Type data export in the search bar. Select data export from the drop-down results. You will arrive at the data export page. Look for the Export Now button. Click on the Export Now button. A new window will open, displaying the export options. Choose the data you want to backup by checking the respective boxes. You can select all the standard and custom objects or pick specific ones. Scroll down to the Schedule Exports section. Decide whether to schedule a weekly or monthly export, or keep it as an on-demand export. If scheduling, set the desired frequency and time. Make sure you understand the file format options available. Select your preferred file format, typically CSV. Review your selections carefully. Once satisfied, click the Start Export button. You will see a notification confirming that your export is in progress. Salesforce will alert you via email once the export completes. Check your email for a download link when the export is ready. Click on the link in your email to download your backup files. Store the downloaded files in a secure location. Regularly repeat this process to keep your data backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.